With your most accurate forecast, I'm meteorologist Jorge Torres. This hot February continues. In fact, yesterday we were close to 90. We topped it at 89 degrees. But you factor the entire month, including the lows, this could be one of the warmest Februaries on record. In fact, here is a look at the official numbers so far. This is now tied for the second warmest February, but we still have a couple of days left in the month. We do expect these numbers to drop just a tad, but either way, this will be at least in the top 5 before it's all said and done. Now, today's forecast is really not talking about the heat, although the highs will still be above average. But notice how the breezes will pick up right around 10 o'clock in the morning, coming in from the east, and the winds will be even stronger up in parts of the high country. But highs today will eventually reach 85 degrees, which is more than 10 degrees above normal for late February. Now, as far as the winds today, here in the valley, they'll be coming in from the northeast, right around 10 to 15 miles per hour, with gusts around 30. In the high country, a tad bit stronger from the northeast at 10 to 25, with gusts around 40. In fact, east of the valley, the winds will be even stronger as we have wind advisories taking effect at 10 o'clock in the morning for areas like eastern portions of Maricopa County and southern Pinal County, right around Globe, for example, even as you head toward areas in Gila County, too. And even as you head to the east, winds will be strong there, too. So here's a look at futurecast winds. Notice the winds will be howling throughout the day across central, eastern parts of the state and even northwestern Arizona, too. And then by about 5 in the afternoon, the winds begin to die down. Tomorrow, winds not as much of a concern. But notice how the highs today will cool down a little bit more. We'll be in the 50s for areas like Flagstaff, Heber, and Shola, 60 degrees, 71 in Globe, and 80s right along the I-10 corridor from Tucson to Casa Grande and in the valley, too. And even as you head toward Cave Creek, we're dropping those highs just a tad to 80 degrees. 84 in Deer Valley, 85 in Glendale and Ahwatukee, too. 86, though, in Chandler and Gilbert, and 86 as well as you head toward Mesa. A look at futurecast showing you disturbance number 1 that'll cross the state this weekend. Not a lot of moisture to go with it, but it will pick up the winds again and drop those temperatures into the 70s here in the valley. Another storm, a bit stronger, moves in beginning Tuesday and Wednesday, so we see that chance of rain and cooler temperatures return too. And then another storm is set to arrive by about Thursday. So here's that 7-day forecast. Breezy today, but not as hot, with highs in the mid-80s. Temperatures drop a little more tomorrow. 70s and breezy on Saturday. Chance of rain returns gradually by about Monday. For now at 10%, but those highs next week staying in the 70s too, with lows around 50. But it does appear that the end of February will be warm, with highs staying in the 80s.